Most people don't struggle with money because they lack discipline or tools. They struggle because it's unclear how today's numbers connect to real decisions. This video is about restoring that clarity. You can have steady income and still feel financially uneasy, not because something is wrong, but because you don't know what deserves attention. You see balances move, expenses fluctuate, headlines change, and without context, every change feels equally important. The question isn't, am I doing enough? It's, is anything actually wrong? Or am I reacting to noise? This is hard because most financial tools treat information as the goal. They show numbers, but they don't explain relevance. DIY My Finances is designed as a system, not a tracker. Under the hood, it starts with your real financial picture, your profile, your income, spending, debts, investments, and goals. From there, it connects real documents like tax returns, statements, and plan summaries, and extracts only the key metrics that actually matter. Those numbers don't get flattened or averaged. They stay linked to their original context, so every answer is grounded in your reality, not assumptions. The system then organizes this information around decisions, not categories. What's fixed versus flexible? What's stable versus volatile? What's changed recently and what hasn't? This is what allows DIY My Finances to reason personally, not generically. One important part of this system is transparency. When you open Ask Fin, you don't just see questions, you see topic readiness. Green means the system has enough of your data to answer responsibly. Yellow means some information is missing. Red means it would be guessing, and it won't do that. This isn't about blocking you. It's about being honest about what can be answered well and what needs more context to be truly helpful. Ask Fin isn't designed to give instant advice. It's designed to reason through your situation like a personal CFO would. When you ask a question, for example, why is my tax bill higher this year? The first thing Ask Fin does is check whether it can answer that responsibly. It looks at the topic, it checks which documents are available, it verifies whether the key metrics needed are present. If the data is sufficient, Ask Fin explains what it's using and why. The outcome isn't optimization, it's clarity. Clarity doesn't mean certainty, it means you're no longer confused. And that's what a personal CFO system is supposed to provide.